So these are the two images I'm going to use. So now I'm just going to increase the women layer size. So select the scale tool. So as you can see here, I checked keep aspect and around center, and now I'm just going to scale up from one of these handles until I cover all the canvas, press enter. And now right click on the women layer, layer to image size. And now go to filters and then select G'MIC. And now go down to layers, left click on the layers, and then select blend fade, left click. So as you can see, it creates, for example, it will fade one image to another, one layer to another. So now in the preset, you can change, for example, custom, circular, wave, any. So there are many. So I'm just going to check the linear, select the linear. So the offset here is just going to control where the blending will start. So for example, or the fade. So I increase it, I decrease it. So here it is. Just going to place it here. The thickness is going to reduce the blur here when merging the layers. So for example, if I increase it, so here it is. The sharpness will do the same, almost the same. So here it is. So if you check the sharpest here, it will make it like you cut the layer. There's no blur. So let's check it. So here it is. Let's increase a little bit the sharpness. The revert layers will change the position here of the layer. So it will put this layer here to the left and this one to the right. So if I check it, so here it is. The color space here, you have sRGB, linear RGB, and lab. I'm going to leave it to sRGB. The first parameter here is going to control the direction where the blending or fade is going to be. So for example, if I increase it, so here it is, it's going this way here. If I increase it all the way up, so it's horizontal, I'm going to leave it horizontally. So for the second and third parameter, I don't see anything, they don't change anything. So just make sure here to check the preview. And now down here, make sure the output mode here is new layer to create a new layer from the result here. So I'm just going to decrease a little bit the offset here. I want to make it in the sky, so here it is. And now I'm just going to press OK. So this is the result, the top layer, this one here, so here it is.